We're crossing over to Nigeria now for a stock market update. On that end, we've got Oluwaseun Adesoye, the head of capital market operations at Apel Asset Trust, standing by. Oluwaseun, thank you so much for joining us today. So, of course, we saw the market up by 0.7% yesterday, $24 million moving through the market. And, of course, one of the big standouts has been Nestle rallying to an intraday record high, just over 861 naira on the day, and it's pulled back slightly. But what are your thoughts right now on the rally we've seen in that stock and where it's headed from here?
Samantha, for me, Nestle, I think it is overpriced. But I also assume that is the expectation of the results coming out, which is likely coming in February, that has driven it. We will see that today there has been some relative profit taken in that stock, and so it has lost about 40 naira. I don't see it sustaining that price in recent times.
So a bit concerned around the levels it has rallied to, but it seems that sentiment around consumer stocks is high right now. Just looking at some of the stocks that are being added to the market making program today, you've got Unilever, Flour Mills, Wema Bank and Royal Exchange. So 4 more stocks added to the market making program. What's your sense as to what type of impact that this will have on trade around those key companies?
No, I think it's a welcome idea for the stocks that have been added. Royal Exchange, for example, should encourage other insurance companies to come to the financial services sector. And we would see relatively that most of the stocks that have been added to the market-making baskets have relatively appreciated over time.
So, of course, as you say, good initiative, and so far 43 stocks have been added to that. Now, PZ Cousins in the consumer space coming out with their results on Monday. How have those numbers being digested by the market? What's the stock doing right now? And does that set the tone for trade on other consumer stocks?
Well, for PZ, if you look at the results, the turnover came down by about 6%. But the profit after tax went up by over 93%. That has influenced the price. It has driven up the price relatively. Right now it's trading about 34 naira. The increase in profits can be attributed to the fact that the cost has relatively come down. And so we would expect that for now, it will steadily go up. Although the turnover has come down, largely, in my opinion, due to the crisis going on in the north. But I think the stock still has some value in it.